Let's try yuzu. I think you can call this somewhat of a Japanese lemon. I saw this at my local Japanese supermarket and it was $16.99 for one. It's super fragrant. This smells like a mix between a lemon and a grapefruit. It's not as firm as a lemon. It is a bit softer. So there seems to be more pith than actual flesh. Hold on, let me just see what this tastes like by itself. Okay, so there's not a lot of juice. There's not even any juice in here. What's going on here? What is this? Okay, so there's no juice in here. Okay, so that's all I got out of one yuzu. Either that's what a yuzu is usually like, or I just got one that doesn't really have a lot of juice. What am I supposed to do with this? A lot of seeds. It's not really that sour. Okay, so it's almost a mix between a lemon and a grapefruit. More so a grapefruit. I don't understand. Okay, number one, what are you supposed to do with this? And number two, why it's so expensive. I just spent 16, 17 bucks on this and I'm sure I can do something with this. So I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. If you guys know what I can do with this, because there's honestly no juice in here, let me know in the comments and I'll do what I can. I just don't want to waste this.